So we have a beautiful event.
The future is limitless for technology entrepreneurs. For many, growing their businesses and securing funding are the top priority. For Baluka Mutinda, CEO of Dukapak, an online sales system, local regulation hampers his efforts to expand beyond the cities he's already based in.
But you notice that each market is very different. Even down to Nairobi, you can have neighborhoods that are very, very different from each other based on income, based on just the proximity or the location of the city. So just really having to figure out how we can build a product that can sustain itself beyond that fragmentation has been a challenge.
Oluwambankole Falade is the Chief Regulatory Officer at Flutterwave. He said the lack of unified international regulation surrounding digital currency and payments leaves many of his potential customers uneasy about using his service.
Payments was fragmented, from country to country, and even within countries, interoperability was a problem.
Still, Falade believes he can alleviate some of this anxiety by investing in more digital infrastructure. By getting as many tangible financial institutions on board, Falade believes Flutterwave will be the step towards community digital integration.
Interconnect with as many partners as possible, be it from schemes to banks. So what we offer today through our single API integration for our merchants is merchants can focus solely on their business core competence and not worry about how to collect payments.
Other entrepreneurs are focusing their efforts solely on building trust and familiarity for their digital products by associating it with something well-known. Christian Duffus, CEO of Fondbank, ties his digital payment currency system to prepaid phone minutes to take some of the uncertainty away from financial tech.
One of the challenges with digital money, even cryptocurrencies, is in many respects it's a closed ecosystem for the consumers, right? They can't, buy food with it, pay rent with it, can't consume it directly in any way like they can cash. So where we're unique is that we use a unit of prepaid airtime, right? And we've tokenized this on a public blockchain. And as a result, people can consume prepaid airtime. There's 8 billion prepaid mobile SIMs globally. If you can have that type of broad availability, accessibility for consumers with something they're familiar with, then that's how you address sort of the trust factor.
Even with the regulatory issues firms are facing, the African fintech industry is expected to reach $230 billion in revenue by 2025. Anthony LaBruto for VOA News, Washington.